Welcome to a mesmerizing showcase of sophistication and luxury nestled in the serene hills of the Gold Coast hinterland. Today, we are stepping into a world where extravagance meets functionality, where panoramic views embrace you, and every corner whispers tales of opulence. Join us as we explore this exquisite hillside mansion, boasting spectacular vistas and a self-contained granny flat, truly a haven of both comfort and grandeur. Perched on an expansive 5,000 square meters of land, this east-facing masterpiece offers a multi-million-dollar panorama that immerses you in nature's beauty and urban elegance. Step through the grand circular foyer adorned with crystal chandeliers and marble floors, and be greeted by the majestic mahogany staircase that leads you through a near 6-meter void. Every detail exudes sophistication, setting the tone for the indulgence that awaits within this 3-level architectural marvel. No expense has been spared in crafting this luxurious abode, from the sunken lounge with floor-to-ceiling curved glazing to the timber and marble floors that grace every step. Each element speaks of refined taste and impeccable craftsmanship. Multiple living and dining areas offer versatility while maximizing the spectacular views that surround you. Entertainment knows no bounds with this hillside retreat. Dive into the 18-meter curved infinity pool, or showcase your skills on the championship floodlit tennis court. From its opulent design to its breathtaking vistas, this hillside mansion is a testament to redefined living at its finest. Whether you seek serenity amidst nature or an entertainer's paradise, this residence offers the epitome of luxury living.